bakuru ba pooriisi okushabwa kubahwera abapooriisi okugira entaasya yaharubaju bigambira engineer Dr. Mugisha mukoro gw'okusiibura abapooriisi habahairwe transfer kuruga Bushenyi hamwe n'okwakira abo ababagiire omu bigyere ogubaire aha Rutuuza Hotel omuri Bushenyi.
The shoes are not okay. The what, you know? So if you want to do leadership, let's do holistic what? Leadership. A leadership which enables these police people to do their professional job, but also a leadership which enables them to develop personally in terms of, and if you follow very well what the president has been preaching about wealth creation, you will understand what I'm trying to tell you.
Mukuru wa polisi omwihanga IGP Abbas Byakagaba ahindwire omu bapoliisi ba Bushenyi yatwara obeire nakora nka DPC wa Bushenyi Felix Majezi hamwe n'obeire nakora nka PRO Apollo Taebwa nuko kureta Hashim Kasinga kuba DPC wa Bushenyi.
The people you're replacing, some of them, their shoes have been so big, and the region you're coming in, they are very hard to please. That is the best word I can.
All the sister security agencies, we have been relating so well because programs to keep us engaged are there, they are in place.
You've come to a very, very beautiful district. A very, very beautiful district. And I have heard some people saying that Bushenyi is very hard. I really doubt if it is very hard. I think it depends on the personality. If you become very hard, they also become very what? Very hard. I have been here, yes. I have been here for 3 years. I can tell you Bushenyi is the most interesting district and it is the best district to work in.
Bakuru ba pooriisi hona nibashaba enkoragana nungi hagati ya pooriisi hamwe n'omuntu wa buriijo habase kubaho obucureera omu kyanga.
We want to say farewell to the team that has served us well, particularly my colleague, he was close to me as well, Paul, and the rest of the others.
Because when you look at our methods of work at different levels, we must work as teams. So I have the district security team, which I cannot take a decision before we meet as a team. And I've been taught about that. And as we get guidance from the regional security team, so that we achieve the same what? The same mission.
Gashakwa Abraham Muganzi.